All right, well, thanks for checking out another one of our videos here. We're gonna hopefully make a repair video out of this thing and see if we can get this thing going again. I don't know what's wrong with it yet. There's a Parmak Mark 8. They've made a bunch of these things the last 10 years, but not the greatest brand by any means, but not the worst, I guess, either. But, you know, they are what they are. They're cheap when it comes to a fence charger brand. They're a cheap price, cheap power, you know. But I don't hold up very well long term. You're not going to get 10, 15 years out of one of these newer ones. Maybe one 10 years ago or 15 years ago you get 10 years out of, or 20 years ago you get 10 years out of, or better, but not this stuff. So we're going to go through it and see what we can figure out with it. So a little bit about us. Fencer Fixers, our website, is all the stuff that we do. You can find out more about us at the website. But we work on electric fence boxes for every brand under the sun. I don't care what it is. If we can open it up and tinker on it, we'll open it up and fix it. All right. Well, first on the Parmak stuff, I'm certified or licensed through them to work on their brand and their units, but I cannot sell their parts. They don't allow anybody to sell their parts. They got a what do you call it? Insurance liability policy that forbids anybody from selling their parts. That's why when you search around online, you can find parts for other brands sometimes, but you can't find parts for Parmak because they don't allow anybody to sell their parts. So that's why they have repair guys like me to work on them, I guess. So I apologize for that, but that's just their rule, not mine. It's kind of stupid, but it's their brand. They can do what they want, I guess. So let's plug it in first, see what the heck it does. I didn't even do that. It's 110, 120 volt. A little low, not terrible. A little lower. Usually they're hitting about 14 or 15, but that's just a gimmicky number. Let's see what they actually puts out at the terminals. This is where the magic happens. 9.6. I'm doing a ground fault on it, and it's fine. Well, I don't know. I thought this was going to be a repair video. I guess I'll let it run for a while. I'll stop this video and put off the side. It's about 4:30 in the evening or afternoon, so I'll probably call it a day anyway. So we'll got things I need to do besides repairs. So I'm gonna let's leave it, push it off to the side, let it run, come back tomorrow or the next day and let it run for a little while. I might put a load on it too. I got a 500 ohm load right here. I'll probably stick that on there and let it run with a load on it. Let's just see what that does with 500 ohm load. See what that does to it. 500 ohms is standard, what most brands run some of their tests on. So let's just see what this load does to it. I will drag the number down, but let's see by how much. Whew. Oh man, I'm tired. Down to 5.5. Let's see what Mr. Tester has to say. $7.5. See how many joules we're getting out of it. God dang it, stay there. 5.3 joules. That's 5.3 output joules. At 7,000 volts, so not too bad. I don't know. We'll let this thing run, see what happens. Alright, well, that was not much of a video, so, oh well. If they all ran like this, then I'd never have a job. Alright, well, till next time, we'll see you later. We'll do another video here before too long, I imagine. But check us out on YouTube. Just do a search on YouTube of any brand or model. I've got a boatload of videos out there, all sorts of things about electric fence stuff, fence chargers, and how to fix things and how to test them, how they work, review videos. Just do a search. And I'm just an independent shop. I just work on things. I don't sell this stuff. You know, so if you want the honest truth about a unit, ask me. I'll tell you. You want to know what's good about a unit, what's bad about a unit? Ask me. I'll tell you. All right. See you later.